Hi friend, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the Honor 10 Lite and we are going to do the hands-on of the device. We will check the first impression and also at the same time we will talk about the battery and the other features. Now coming to the notch, it comes with the rounded notch. It is not a V-shaped notch. It is like a water drop notch but not exactly the same. So the notch is different. And talking about the display, it comes with the 6.21 inch Full HD Plus display. Coming to the power button and volume rocker keys, they are mounted on the right side, one above the another, and at the back there is a Honor branding. And you also get a AI camera with the smartphone. It has a single tone LED flash. There is a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera setup at the back. Fingerprint sensor is also mounted at the back. Now talking about the back, it comes with a plastic finish, but it looks pretty much premium, and this is a sapphire blue color. On the top, what you are getting, there is a noise cancellation mic, and also you are getting the SIM card slot. So we will check out the SIM card slot. In the device we are getting a hybrid SIM card slot, which means that you can insert two nano SIM card slot or one nano SIM card slot with a micro SD card slot. Now coming to the bottom part, we are getting a 3.5 mm jack. There is also one more noise cancellation mic. There is a micro USB charging slot, and the speaker grills are also mounted at the bottom end. Now in the device you are getting a notification LED in the bottom. Here you can see I just tried to show you the charging, and while the notification is showing in the bottom part, so there is a LED notification present in the device, but it is in the bottom segment of the device. Now talking about the display is 6.21 inch Full HD Plus display, and this is one of the brightest display I have seen from Honor. You can use it in the sunlight very easily. There will be no issues regarding that. Now coming to the device, we will talk about the hardware specification. The device comes with the octa-core processor, which is a Kirin 710, and it is running on Android 9.0 with EMUI 9.0 on top of it. And the battery of the device is 3400 milliampere. It comes with a 10 watt of charger. Here you can see Android Pie is present for the smartphone, and this is what we are getting in the Pie. Talking about the RAM and the internal storage, the smartphone is coming with the 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. So talking about the device weighs around 162 grams. It is coming with a battery of 3400 milliampere with the 10 watt of charger. And due to the EMUI, we are getting some of the features here. You can see it includes the ride mode. So the ride mode is very good. Those who ride the two-wheelers like the scooters or the bikes. Now talking about the display, we can change the notch, and also you can see the notch settings can be changed with that. There is a color temperature mode which you can change according to your need. It can be normal or vivid, and also you can try out the temperature playing around with it. So there are a few things what you have. There is a eye comfort mode which you can switch it automatically or you can schedule for that. There are more display settings in which you will get the notch. Here you can change the notch setting, and you can see once we put on off the notch, here it is, a black strip will be coming on the forehead. Now if you put on the notch, there will be a small rounded notch. So this is what we are getting in the display section, and you can also change the screen resolution. It is smart resolution, so it can be optimized when required to the SD plus screen or when it requires to the FSD plus screen. Now talking about one more thing, it comes with the digital balance. This is actually a digital well-being which is introduced in this Pixel smartphone. This will actually tell you how much time you have spent in the apps, how much time you have done in the bedtime. So it will tell your timings and uses according to the phone. Now coming to the security, it comes with a fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor can also do some more features like the answer call, stop alarm, and also show the notification panel, browse your pictures, and it also has a face unlock. Now talking about the face unlock can be registered very easily and it works very smoothly. We haven't tried or tested in the low light condition, but still the face unlock works very well. And this is what we are getting in the settings. There is one more thing in the wireless setting. There is tethering. If you go to that, here you can do a Wi-Fi bridge. It means that from the smartphone you can connect 3-4 laptop or mobile handset using the other Wi-Fi that you are importing in this smartphone. So this is what you are getting in the hardware and the software segment. Now talking about the face unlock, here you can see it unlocks very fast and very smoothly. Talking about the fingerprint sensor, it also works very easily. There is no hiccup, and also what I have told you, the fingerprint sensor can be used for the other purpose like the browse photo, take the call. Those kind of features can be used. Now talking about the Antutu score, this is what we are getting in the Antutu score, and talking about the sensors. We are getting almost each required sensor, which includes the game vector, the gyroscope sensor, there is light sensor, acceleration sensor. So mainly all the sensors are present in the smartphone, so that is not a big problem for the device. In the Antutu score, we have also checked, the score is really good because it is coming with the processor which is octa-core Kirin 710. Now talking about the Geek benchmark score, the Geeky benchmark score is coming this with the single core and the multi-core processor. Now talking about the device, we are getting a software feature which is called a party mode. So in a one Wi-Fi you can connect multiple devices. Now talking about the front camera, it comes with a 24 megapixel and it has an aperture of f2.0. We have already seen that the Honor devices are specially coming with a good design and a better camera. This is the top two features that Honor is always focused on. Now coming to the device from the back end, the rear camera comes with a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera, which is the AI camera. It also, the 13 megapixel comes with the f1.8 aperture setting in the device. So this is what we are getting in the camera specification. Now we will check into the camera app what we are getting. Now talking about the camera app, here you can see we have getting the few modes. It is pretty much similar what we have seen in the UI earlier also in the Honor smartphones. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you guys can have a clear and a better look. Now talking about the modes, you are getting aperture mode, night mode, portrait mode, photo, video and more. So this is what you are getting in the modes. Now talking about the modes, there is one more mode in which you have a pro mode, panorama mode, AR lens, light painting, HDR, time lapse, filter, stickers. This is what you are getting. So coming to the stickers, you can play it around. It comes with some of the moods, so you can pick it according to a date and time or weather, whatever you like, food. So this is what you are getting. You can change it whatever you like. This is something coming right now in the device. Earlier it was not present. Now I am skipping the sticker thing. Talking about the top one, it is kind of a Google Lenses, goes and tries to check it online and scans the product or a code or a barcode. This is what it will going to do, and it also has a flash. There is also a motion capture or live motion picture capture, which you can switch it enable or off. And talking about the AI, so the AI is the highlight feature what I have already told you. It enhances your picture quality, and once you are taking a picture you will get two pictures, which will be, one will be the original picture and second will be the AI picture. Coming to the settings right now, in the settings, talking about the resolution, you are getting a 13 megapixel resolution, 10 megapixel resolution and 8 megapixel resolution. Coming to the rear camera, the video resolution, it has a FHD with 18:9 ratio. You can also change it into FHD with 60 fps, FHD with 30 fps and HD with 720p. Coming to the front camera comes with the FHD of 18:9 ratio. You can also change to FHD 30 fps. There is also HD mode. Both in the front and the back you can shoot into H.265 and H.264, but the device says that H.264 is compatible with both the devices. So this is what we are getting. This is the camera resolution of the rear camera what I was talking. I am putting some samples here which you can check it around and decide yourself how the camera performs. Talking about the device will be coming in three colors. It will be sapphire blue, there will be a sky blue, there will be a black color. These are the three colors what is known to us. It weighs around 162 grams and the box charger is 10 watt, which is 5 ampere 2 volt charger. And coming to the price point, it will be coming in the two specs, which will be 4GB 64GB and 6GB 64GB, and my price guessing is the 4GB 64GB will be coming for 12,999, whereas the 6GB 64GB will be coming for 15,999. This is the price what I expect for the device. And stay tuned for more videos coming for Honor 10 Lite. This is all about it. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.